and now my fucking team. Tell these niggas never been nice, bitch, I'm always mean. My niggas gon' ride hard, Rugerell and Boosie too. And my nigga Trues Moolah got that nigga murdered. Tell these niggas sniper 81, I hit him from the roof. They like black, you was just fucked up. How the fuck you spin through here in the coop? I'm the fucking man, bitch, I'm drilling. I be on the block 24/7, I'm drug dealing. I be masked down, masked up, I'm a villain. Call that nigga Rugerell, only thing he know is killing. Bitch, I gotta get paid and I gotta get laid and I gotta get the bread. All my niggas too brave. Try to tell him I'll be in the kitchen like a slave, whipping that shit cause I'm trying to get paid. Motherfucker, blah, blah, gunshot to your face. All my niggas gon' ride and I'm so high, bitch, my mind out of that space. Bitch, man, get the fuck out of my face. I'm drilling,
We drilling like a felon. We drilling, we really in the field, nigga. With team no lacking 10, now the boss, nigga. What the fuck you think this is? Use the thought, bitch. We drilling, we